Still relying on a basic doorbell that just rings and does nothing else? What if your front door could do so much more, like see who's there, let you talk to them, and alert you the moment motion is detected? Let's talk about the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. The smart home guardian designed for easy setup and total peace of mind with HD video, motion detection, and two-way talk straight to your phone. Hardwired for non-stop protection and designed for smart home simplicity, it keeps you in the know whether you're in the kitchen or across the globe. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro and mounting bracket, faceplates, installation tools, and screws, user manual, warranty card, and security sticker. Ready to upgrade your home security? Tap the link in the description below to grab your Ring Wired Doorbell Pro from Amazon. Features: get notified in real time when visitors press your doorbell or trigger the built-in motion sensors. Whether you're home or away, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro lets you check in from your phone with smart alerts for people and packages. You can talk to visitors in real time or let quick replies answer for you when you're busy. With the free Ring app, see, hear, and speak to visitors using real-time notifications, live view, and two-way talk, plus customize motion zones and link other Ring devices. Combine battery doorbell with Alexa for hands-free home monitoring. When anyone triggers Ring's built-in motion zones, your Echo device will illuminate and make an announcement, so you'll always know when someone's there. Specifications: installation. Before starting, check that your transformer is rated 10 to 24 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz, 10 to 40 volts amps. Press your old doorbell if the chime rings. Your system is compatible. Now, turn off the power at the breaker to stay safe during installation. Open your indoor chime box and find the terminals labeled front and transformer. Loosen their screws, then slide the two wires from the Pro Power Kit underneath and retighten. Stick the Pro Power Kit inside or next to the chime box using the provided adhesive, avoiding any moving bell parts. Connect the existing wires to the back of your Ring doorbell using wire extenders if needed. Mount it with the included screws, restore power, and wait for the light to turn on. Attach the faceplate, tighten the security screw, and complete the setup in the Ring app. Setup with app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Ring app. Open the app and either sign in or create a new Ring account. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are turned on. Tap Set up a device and select doorbells from the list. Scan the QR code or Mac ID barcode on your Ring doorbell or packaging. Follow the prompts to give your device a name and location. The app will guide you to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it may update the firmware automatically. Wait for it to complete. When done, test the live view and motion alerts to make sure everything works. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. See you in the next one.